Hey guys, welcome back to Steffi D Creates. It's summertime, it's warmer outside, you want to be outdoors enjoying, so we're going to be making something super fun that you can enjoy indoors and outdoors during the summer. We're going to be making these awesome confetti wine glasses. You don't have to just make a wine glass with this technique. You can use a regular tumbler glass, you can use a champagne flute, you can do a tall wine glass. It's totally up to you, but I'm going to be showing you how to make these super fun summer-inspired confetti glasses that will just take a couple minutes. You're going to love them. If you're excited to see today's video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you always see new Steffi D Creates videos. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and I will have links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. I can't wait to show you how to make these, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. A couple glasses. You can decorate ones that you already have or buy new ones. I got these from the dollar store. Acrylic paints, Q-tips, a paper plate, and some rubbing alcohol. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean our glasses with our rubbing alcohol. So put a little bit on a paper towel and give it a good rub all over your glass, making sure that it cleans off anything that's on there. Once your glasses have dried, we're going to plate out our colors. You can use any type of colors you want on your glasses. We're going to be doing a summer theme, which I call confetti colors. So I am using every color of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And we're going to put a little bit of each onto our paper plate. So starting with my red, and you don't need much. Just do a little squeeze right on your paper plate so you have your paint on there, and do that with all of your colors so they are good to go. All of my colors are now plated out, and I'm going to start with my red and work my way around my colors. So take your glass and your first Q-tip, and you're going to dip it right into your paint. Give it a nice coat of paint on there, because you're just going to take the Q-tip and you're going to start dotting at the base of the glass. You're literally just going to be dipping your Q-tip in the paint and putting big dots all over your glass. You want the dots that are at the bottom of the glass to be closer together, and as you reach the top of the glass, they're going to spread apart. So near the bottom, you can put them as close together as you want, overlap them, make them in a really crazy pattern. It doesn't have to be symmetrical. Just make sure that you're going all the way around your glass. You want to make sure that you have enough paint on your Q-tip that it's giving you a solid dot and not just the outline of a dot. Sometimes the Q-tips can do that. Now that I've finished my close dots around the bottom, I'm just going to go around the glass, dispersing my dots as I get closer to the top. I'm not going to put any dots really close to the top where you're going to be putting your lips to drink out of. So just space them out however you want. At some point, it's easier to put your hand in the glass to work on it, because you don't want to get paint on your fingers. When you've finished your first color, I actually use a separate Q-tip for each color because I tend to get paint on my hands if I don't. So I'm going to use a new Q-tip and put it in my second color, which for me is my orange, and dip it right on in there, give it a good coat of paint. And we're going to do the same thing. Starting at the bottom, put your dots of orange really close together. You can fill them in between your first color, on top of your first color, however you want. I just randomly go all over, giving it a nice coat of orange near the bottom. And the same thing when you finish your close dots at the bottom, go ahead and work your way up with your random spaced out dots. This can be a really fun activity you can do with kids if you do it on water glasses or tumblers. Doesn't have to be a wine glass, but they can have a lot of fun using the Q-tips and painting their own design. So I'm going to do the same thing with my third color as I did with my first two, making random dots closer together at the bottom and moving my way apart as I get closer to the top of the glass. Remember, you don't want this to be in any pattern. The point is that they are random colored dots, so have fun letting loose and not staying in the lines. If you do this confetti glass, I chose really bright colors instead of pastels. I think it gives it a really fun summer feel, but it's totally up to you. You can do it in all pastels, you can do all the same color scheme. It's really fun just to make it your own. Ooh, it's coming together. I'm so excited. It looks so good so far. So now for our last color, we're going to put our purple dots right on there. Now all of our colors are on there and it looks so summery. I am so excited. The only thing left to do is to seal it so your hard work doesn't come off when you wash it. How do we seal it? You are going to place your glasses into a cold oven. Do not turn it on yet. Put them in your oven and turn it to 350. Let the heat rise with the glasses in there. Once it hits 350, you're gonna bake it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn your oven off and let your glasses cool down in the oven. If you take them out, there's a chance that they might break while they're still hot, so you're gonna let them cool down in the oven. I suggest doing it overnight. I'll do it right before I go to bed. I'll bake them and then turn the oven off and go to sleep so everything can cool down together, and when I wake up in the morning, my glasses are good to go. Fill them with a nice cold glass of lemonade, go outside and enjoy the summer. I am so excited to use these to sit out on the porch, watch the lightning bugs, have a nice glass of lemonade, and really ring in summer. These are so cute, aren't they? If you like today's video and want to see more, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you always see new Steffi D Creates videos. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest to stay up to date with behind the scenes information, upcoming projects, tips and tricks, 1-minute party tips. We're going to be having more of those. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you make. If you make the confetti glasses or regular glasses or anything else with this technique, don't forget to upload your picture and use the hashtag SteffiDCreates so I can see all of your awesome creations. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.